So you can see this is building out the DF here, and you can see it's going to take a while because I mean Hyperliquid is sick. It has like all of these symbols here, and I think most of them have enough liquidity. Some of them don't have a lot of liquidity, like if you go way down the chain like ZRO or Friend. So I might drop those. Or actually what I'll probably do here, let's go to our README because this is where I'm at. So I'm gonna delete this. We need to make this 1 hour done. Funk Public successfully gets 1 million size or bigger. We deleted that actually. Look into the DF returns 1 million lines. We finished that. Awesome. Working on this late, so that was last night. When I run this, it makes more and more lines. That's done. Fixed that. So coint. Oh, we did this. This is done. Coint and Z-score all works well now. I must say I paused here at building. Pause at building out DF of 100 plus coins, and then getting Z-score and all that. It takes a while to run the DF data for all 100. So don't run it every time. And that what's cool about this is we can set it so it only runs sometimes. But I think I'm just gonna let this run for the rest of the while here, and it looks like we're on IMX, which is what, halfway through the alphabet. INJ. And then what I can do is, if you make sure to subscribe, maybe hit the bell notification. Next time I am working on this, I will make sure to work on it with you. And every single day we're going to get closer and closer, because remember, we're building a double arbitrage here, which is nuts. You can see this AI just outputted a new strategy backtest down here. But it's nuts because we're building a statistical arbitrage bot that will go long one asset and short the other asset. And it should just rack up a ton of volume. And it's been doing well on DYDX, so it should be profitable as well. So that would be great. And if that's the case, then we're getting points for free on Hyperliquid. And if we get free points on Hyperliquid, that equals an arbitrage, another arbitrage. So it's a double arbitrage, because we're getting points that will likely lead to an airdrop. See how this is a double arbitrage? So I've put that link in the description. If you use that link to join, you're gonna qualify for points. So use that link. It's in the description and the chat. You qualify for points, and then essentially we just have to run up the volume, and then it's a double arbitrage. So that's why I'm building this statistical arbitrage bot, because then it doesn't matter if we're long or short, or the market's going up or down, because we will always be long and short. So it's a market neutral strategy, which I really like. And I think that's probably good for today. I hope you enjoyed everything. I'm going to let this run and figure out, or not figure out, but let it grab all the data, and then we won't have to run it again probably tomorrow. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Much love. Thanks for coming through, Keith, Gabrielle, everybody that has stopped by. Tyzeez, good to see you. Appreciate everybody here, and I hope you have a beautiful day. What is good, my people? Today we are building a trading algorithm with ChatGPT's new GPT store. So OpenAI just released the ChatGPT store, and we're going to go ahead and type in Quant AI here really quickly. And we're going to use this because this is a GPT built for quants. So build me a trading back test using the SMA. And you can see it'll be able to code that for us. It's been trained on quant stuff. And let's get to it. So you can see here, essentially what we're building today is a trading bot that will remove all of our emotions out of trading. So essentially we have a strategy, and we know that strategy works because we back tested that strategy. And that's usually where you want to start, right? You'd want to make sure that your strategy worked in the past, right? Of course. Have you ever been in the position where you are in a trade and essentially you whiff the trade because your emotions got in the way? Of course. Of course you have. We all have. We've been there. We've all been there. It's hard to know, which way to take a trade. I know you have all these technical indicators, but the markets move fast. So I'm actually building a bot that it doesn't matter which way the market moves. It can go up or down, and we are still going to be profitable because we're actually building a arbitrage bot today. So wouldn't that be nice if you could just know for a fact that, hey, this is going to be a profitable trading strategy because we're actually trading long and short? That'd be pretty nice, wouldn't it? Of course. We all know that